Okay, so today we talked about the sweetheart move. Yes. The easiest way to get into the sweetheart is by switching the hands on 3-4. 3-4 and getting to sweetheart on 5-6-7-8. Once we are connected, leads don't be next to the follow or slightly forward, be slightly behind, connect. So we're supposed to be like this. If we connect this way, yes, the follow can have the information to be like, oh, we're going forward. So go 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5, 7, 8. From here, we can exit with the left hand on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hand cross in the middle to do decoration on the 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I do it again, step, step, switch hands, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap, going forward. 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, exit, 1, 2, 3, don't fall, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, merengue, step, 5, 6, 7, 8, repeat, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, we the turn, 3, 4, decoration, 7, 8. Yes? Bachata is circular, so we can do this combination. Leads doing a circle around the follow. So this is what it will look like. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Yes? Now we're doing the second combination, which is the exit, but with the right hand. Ready, Jessa? 1, 2, switch hands, 5, 8. We don't have to go forward and back. We can just go right away, switching shoulders to 1, to the left, 4. Then with the turn, 5, 7, 8, 2, 1, 2, mariposa, or hold it for now, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, you have to make sure and then stay up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I do this, 5, 6, I'm communicating to the follow. I'm going to go back to close position. If I don't do that, the follow has freedom to bring the hands down earlier. Because the follow knows, oh, we're not going back to close. It's your fault if you get elbow. Because you did not communicate that, leads. So you have to be aware. 1, 5. Okay, we connect. See or see. So if I do it again, 1. Then I step, 5. 8, 1. 3, I open, 5. 8, 1. I switch, 5, 6, 7, tap, 1. 3, tap, 5. 7, tap, 1. 3, tap, 5. 7, tap, 1. 3, tap, 5. I thought you were going to do mariposa. 1. Okay, now you're doing mariposa. 5. Now look at the butterfly. 7, 8, 1. 3, 5. Now I'm going to do circular. 5. 1. 5. 1. 5. 1. 5. 8. That's doing a circular. See? Yes, but for now we're learning how to do it linear. So linear first, circular after. Good job, guys.